Hello everyone. My name is Jo and I'm an independent cloud consultant based in Sydney, Australia. This is a series of videos where we will go through questions which are very similar to Azure AI-102 certification. I'll explain in detail each and every options and figure out the correct answer. So if you're preparing for AI-102 certification, join me in this video. Now, a basic knowledge of Azure AI services will help you to better understand these questions. Now, regarding me, I watched one training to prepare for the exam. From watching this training, I got insights on different Azure AI services, what are those services used for, how to create them, and much more. So if you're preparing for your Azure AI-102 certification, I would highly recommend you this training. The link to this training will be given in the description box below. Now to the format of the question. A requirement is provided. You have to choose the most suited OpenAI model to fulfill the requirement. The question is, you have an Azure subscription. You need to build an app that will compare documents for semantic similarity. The solution must meet the following requirements. Return numeric vectors that represent the tokens of each document. Minimize development effort. Which Azure OpenAI model should you use? Now the options are GPT 3.5, GPT 4, embeddings, and DALL-E. Which model should we choose to fulfill the above requirement? Now let us break down the question. What are the keywords present in the question? So the question is regarding an Azure OpenAI model. Which model should we use? And what are the requirements? So we have to compare documents for semantic similarity. And the model should return numeric vectors that represent the token. And it should be a pre-trained model because the question states there should be minimal development effort. So it means it should be a pre-trained OpenAI model. Now, which model can be used to compare documents? Now, what is semantic similarity? Semantic similarity means finding words that are not completely similar, but the meaning of the words will be the same. So for example, what is the name of your dog or what is the name of your puppy? Dog and puppy are entirely two different words, but the meaning is kind of same. So that is what is semantic similarity. The actual text won't be same, but the meaning will be same. For example, if I'm asking, how can I fix my laptop? Or another question is, how can I troubleshoot the problem with my laptop? So the meaning is kind of similar, although the exact words are not same. So if we do a semantic search, both of these documents or both of these lines will pop up. That is what is semantic search or semantic similarity is. Now what is numeric vectors? So numeric vectors is converting a word into numbers. That is what is numeric vectors is. So each word will have a corresponding vector. Now the model will compare these vectors while searching for something. So that is what is return numeric vectors. So it is something what the model does, converting words or text into numeric values. So that is what it is. Now, which of the model should we choose to compare documents for semantic similarity? Let us see the documentation. Now, these are the types of OpenAI models. One is GPT-4, then there is GPT 3.5, GPT 35 turbo models, and all these models are natural language processing models. And it is best suited for chat-based interaction or for generating natural language or for code completions. And the next type of model is embeddings model. So it is to convert text into numeric vectors and are useful in language analytics scenarios such as comparing text sources for similarities. So note, embedding models is to convert text into numeric vectors and it is mainly used to compare text sources for similarities. That is what embedding model is, and one of the embedding model is ADA-002 model of Azure. Now DALL-E model is to generate image based on natural language prompt. So it is to generate image. Then Whisper model is to convert speech to text. Now let us get back into the question. So which model should we use? Is it GPT 3.5 or GPT 4? No, it is for natural language processing. That's not what we need. Is it DALL-E? No, it is for generating images. What we need is to compare documents based on semantic similarity. And the model we have to use is embeddings model. Now, what did we learn from this question? We learned what each OpenAI model is used for. And also, we saw what is semantic search and what is an embedding model. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.